This review is of traditional Cincinnati recipe original chili, and it's USDA inspected, and that's really all there is to it. Here are the ingredients and the nutrition facts. Alright, so I've got it right here on the stove. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. Alright, this is pretty thin. It's one of the thinnest of the chilies that I've got. It's very salty. And a bit tart. There's not a lot of meat. And it tastes closer to a stew than a chili. I can taste that there's some spices in there with the intention of making it a chili, but it doesn't really taste like a chili. Not in my mind, anyways. It's still nice, but as a chili, no. As a as a meaty sauce, yeah, for noodles or rice, that'd be fine. So I would give it a 5. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.